big truck. Gonna open up the doors and turn it up. Gonna slide my boots in the Georgia mud. Gonna watch you make me fall in love. Get up on the hood of my daddy's tractor. Up on the toolbox, it don't matter. Down on the tailgate, girl, I can't wait to watch you do your thing. Shaking for the guy, but shaking in the honky tonks. For the rednecks running till the break of dawn. For the DJs singing my country song. Come on, come on, come on. Shaking for the birds, shaking for the bees. Shaking for the catfish swimming down deep in the creek. For the crickets and the critters and the squirrels. Shake it to the moon, shake it for me, girl. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Shake country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Somebody sing a little mama shine. We got a lot of blood to get a little wine. Ponytail and a pretty smile. Roll me in from a country town. So come on over here, get in my arms. Spin me around this big old bar. Tangle me up like grandma's yarn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake for the elbow, sitting in the honky tonk. For the rednecks running till the break of dawn. For the DJs singing that country song. Come on, come on, come on. Shaking for the bears, shaking for the bees. Shaking for the candies, swimming down deep in the creek. For the crickets and the critters and the squirrels. Shake it to the moon, shake it for me, girl. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Come on. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Find me a town that knows how to shake it a little bit. Are you feeling baby? Come on. What's up? From Georgia, say hell yeah. If you proud to be from Georgia, say give tips, I'm working for tips. I gotta find me somebody that can shake it real quick. Let me see. What's up? Alright, calm down, calm down. Alright, here's the deal. Girls, don't you like to see a... Well, are you a country boy or are you... Alright, well, you do have Sebagos on. I was just checking. Oh, I hear you. Well, I won't tell them that. Alright, but anyway, you're fixing to shake it for 16,000 people, alright? Alright, slow down, slow down. Let's come back here with me a little bit. Come on. What are you talking about? Don't worry about that.